Finding the right externship shouldn't be one of the hardest parts of starting a healthcare career. Meet Extern Finder, the allied health externship marketplace built to connect students, healthcare employers, and schools. Students can discover verified externship opportunities, build their professional profile, apply, communicate with employers, and track their placement journey. Healthcare employers can post opportunities, connect with prepared allied health students, manage applicants, and build future talent pipelines. Schools can source externship opportunities, coordinate student placements, manage employer relationships, and keep outcomes visible from one workspace. Instead of disconnected emails, spreadsheets, phone calls, and placement tracking, Extern Finder brings the workflow together. Share opportunities, invite others to join, and build trust through verified placement relationships and reviews. Because an externship is more than a requirement. It can be the beginning of a healthcare career. Find where your healthcare career begins. Discover Extern Finder. Request beta access at externfinder.com.